Guys, what's up? It's Mark. Hey, I got so excited with the 5.9 liter cold start video, I decided to do another cold start video with my, right here, this monster truck. What do you say? If you like the video, share it, subscribe, hit the like button. Please share. It gets my videos and my likes out there and my notoriety out there with some stuff that I do. If you don't like it, I don't care really. No, I'm just kidding. But no, all thanks is greatly appreciated. All oh, something just dripped on my back. All shares are greatly appreciated. All likes. So here it is. Cold start on the monster truck. Check it out. Subscribe. This is Mark. If I can get in this damn truck. There I can get in. Check it out. Oh my God! Oh my God! I can't believe it started up because I haven't started that in about, God, probably a month or so. You can look at my previous videos. I haven't started my monster truck in about probably a month. It is now December 9th, 4 p.m. I found out it's 36 degrees outside right now. So check this out. I mean, she's putting. 6.0 liter turbo diesel, full 4-inch MBRP exhaust with a muffler. Anthony and a cat. Anthony, I know you're digging this right now, brother. This is your video. Check it out. And we got a flat tire. I'm going to get this fixed actually here in the next day or two because we're going to be wrapping the whole monster truck in a big bow for Christmas. And I'm putting it right here on Route 1. Oh yeah, look at that. Boom. Cold start, 6.0 liter, PowerStroke. Now she's getting up there. She's like a train, guys. She's like a choo-choo train. Choo-choo! 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 Chugga! Hope you guys like the video. Let's go shut her down. Ready? Now my phone's gonna smell like diesel. Yep, smells like diesel. Oh my God, it reeks so bad. Now she's in now it's in high idle mode, guys. It's in high idle mode. Listen to her starting to get up there. She's like, it's cold outside, Mark. It's real cold. What are you doing to me? Why aren't I plugged in? Why don't you have my block heater on right now? It's December, for crying out loud. Listen to her idle. It's like chug beer, chug diesel. All right, let's get back up in here and shut this sucker down. Ready? Let me get the perfect camera angle. Hold on. I'm helping you guys out right here. Right there. No. Back a little more. Right. Up a little more. Right there. All right. Ready? I'm gonna try to shut it down. Stay with me. Don't go anywhere. Because look, it's cold outside, guys. Told you I'd do a cold start for you. 2 in 1 day. Can't beat that. Boom. All right, there we go. the door so the amp electric step rails come down so I can walk across. Shit. Fuck, the back door's locked. Actually, the hell with that. I'm gonna let it idle for a little bit. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. This is Mark, signing out, okay? If you guys enjoyed this video, give me a like button, please. Hit the subscribe button. Go on Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, wherever you gotta do it. Copy and paste this video. Share it with your friends if you like this video. Share the 5.9 one I did earlier too. Because it's winter time. I know you guys love the cold starts. I hope you really do enjoy the video. Promote me, I'll promote you kind of thing. Holler at you guys. This is Mark signing out. www.youtube.com/what's up it's Mark, all spelled out. See you guys.